Oh man, it looks absolutely amazing. I guarantee you guys we have one heck of a smash burger, so I'm gonna go up under. All right, as they say, 1, 2, 3. All right, gonna line these back up. Awesome. All right, so we're not done though. Cheese time. Every smash burger needs a little bit of cheese. Placing the last piece of cheese on while it's cooking, baguette. All right, let's talk about baguette. So I'm gonna take my first half, I'm gonna go straight into an open fire. And all I'm doing is grilling it. So I'm gonna go front side, back side. All right guys, so let's see what we got. Woo, beautiful. I'm gonna do the same thing for my bottom half. Again. Ooh, don't get your flames. No. Oh yeah, it's pretty hot. All right, looks great. Here is the cool thing. Take some cheddar. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start overlaying them, just like this. Very simple thing you can do to have some really cool effects here at the end. Our cheese is looking great. It's caramelized on the outside, as you see in here. Looks like we can move it. It is on to our shaping round. Going under with 2 spatulas. Gonna go right on top of 4 coffee cups. So you're gonna form this around the coffee cups. All right, pushing the last little bit to form it. Gonna take our twine. All right, taking some baker's twine. You see this simple thing that you can do at home. Gonna pull this over. Gonna do a little hog tie in. All right, mashed potatoes. So what I'm gonna do, go into hot oil. Use this to cut them off, and we're making French fries. You can use leftover mashed potatoes to make French fries. That's pretty much it. It's a simple recipe to do it with. So, try to get a lot of them in here. Just like that. Wow, color looks beautiful. Now take this off. Look at them. We're going to be cooking them till a golden brown, so you're looking for about 2 minutes with this. Alright, with the French fries, golden brown, we're going to take those out. Place into a bowl to drain. Of course, you got to add a little bit of salt, flavoring wise, chef's touch. Give a little bit of a toss. Oh, looks great. Time to take this big bad boy. I'm going to place it on our baguette. I'm going to take this off. Beautiful tomatoes. A little bit of salt and pepper already added. Alright, fresh lettuce. Going to go right on top. Man, look at that. Alright, going to press this down. French fries. Just going to layer those in. Got to go in with a little bit of ketchup. Finish it with a little bit of greenery.